Flare-ups on the scalp, intense itching, redness, and white flakes can make you feel frustrated and helpless. Scalp psoriasis can deeply affect your confidence and quality of life. But the good news is, with the right care and lifestyle choices, you can control flare-ups and reduce discomfort effectively. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vaish, and in today's video, I will share with you what you should do if you are suffering from scalp psoriasis. Simple yet effective steps that can help soothe your scalp and promote healing. So let's begin. The first thing you should do is keep your scalp moisturized. Dryness worsens psoriasis. So make sure your scalp is always hydrated. Use natural oils like coconut oil, olive oil, aloe vera gel to lock in moisture. Gently massage the oil into your scalp and leave it overnight if possible. This helps soften the plaques, reduce scaling, and calm the itchiness. The second thing you must do is use a gentle, mild and herbal shampoo. You can choose shampoos that contain ingredients like tea tree oil, neem or azadirachta or aloe vera. These ingredients help slow skin cell growth and reduce flakes. Always rinse your hair thoroughly and avoid harsh chemical-based products that contain sulfates and parabens. The third important step is to be gentle while washing or combing your hair. You should avoid scrubbing or scratching your scalp roughly. Use your fingertips, not your nails. When you comb your hair, use a wide tooth comb and detangle slowly to prevent irritation or bleeding from the psoriatic patches. The next step is to expose your scalp to the mild sunlight. Sunlight in moderation can help control psoriasis symptoms because ultraviolet light slows down excessive skin cell growth. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes in the early morning sunlight, but never overexpose your scalp, as too much UV can cause burns or trigger flares. The fifth thing you should do is maintain a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet. You should eat foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like flax seeds, walnuts and chia seeds, vitamin D and antioxidants. These nutrients reduce inflammation and help your skin heal from within. Drink plenty of water and avoid smoking or alcohol, as they can worsen psoriasis symptoms. Another helpful practice is stress management. Stress is one of the biggest triggers of psoriasis flare-ups. You should try deep breathing exercises, yoga, meditation, or listening to calming music daily. These practices relax your mind and help balance your immune response. Now, the most important thing that many psoriasis patients overlook. It is to keep your scalp clean but not overly washed. Washing your hair 2 to 3 times a week is enough. You should always use lukewarm water, not hot, as hot water dries and irritates your scalp. After washing, pat dry gently and apply a moisturizing herbal oil or serum to keep the scalp hydrated. If you have thick scales, soften them before removal. Apply warm coconut oil or aloe vera gel for a few hours before washing. These loosens the scale naturally, helping them shed without causing any pain or bleeding. And the last step is to follow your treatment regularly. If you are taking homeopathic treatment, continue them consistently. Scalp psoriasis takes time to heal and regularity is the key. You should never stop treatment abruptly. When you notice improvement, consistency ensures long-term results and prevents recurrence. Alright, these are the essential things you should do to control scalp psoriasis and prevent flare-ups. If you are struggling with psoriasis and want a natural, steroid-free and holistic treatment that treats not just the symptoms but the root cause of immune balance, then reach out to us at Bharat Homeopathy. We have successfully treated thousands of psoriasis patients worldwide with our personalized Bharat Homeopathic treatment plans. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with more such health information. Thank you. Namaste.